A certain person said to him, Epictetus, "Frequently I desired to hear you and came to you, and you never gave me any answer. And now, if it is possible, I entreat you to say something to me." "Do you think," said Epictetus, "that as there is an art in anything else, so there is also an art in speaking, and that he who has the art will speak skillfully, and he who has not will speak unskillfully?" "I do think so." "He then who by speaking receives benefit himself, and is able to benefit others, will speak skillfully. But he who is rather damaged by speaking, and does damage to others, will he be unskilled in this art of speaking? And you may find that some are damaged and others benefited by speaking. And are all who hear benefited by what they hear? Or will you find that among them also some are benefited and some damaged?" "There are both among these also," he said. "In this case also, then those who hear skillfully are benefited, and those who hear unskillfully are damaged." He admitted this. "Is there then a skill in hearing also, as there in speaking? It seems so. If you choose, consider the matter in this way also. The practice of music, to whom does it belong? To a musician? And the proper making of a statue, to whom do you think that it belongs? To a statuary? And the looking at a statue skillfully, does this appear to you to require the aid of no art? This also requires the aid of art. Then if speaking properly is the business of a skillful man, do you see that to hear also with benefit is the business of the skillful man? Now, as to speaking and hearing perfectly and usefully, let us for the present, if you please, say no more, for both of us are a long way from everything of the kind. But I think that every man will allow this, that he who is going to hear philosophers requires some amount of practice in hearing. Is it not so?" "Why then do you say nothing to me?" "I can only say this to you, that he who knows not who he is, and for what purpose he exists, and what is this world, and with whom he is associated, and what things are the good and the bad, and the beautiful and the ugly, and who neither understands discourse nor demonstration, nor what is true nor what is false, and who is not able to distinguish them, will neither desire, according to nature, nor turn away, nor move towards, nor intend to act, nor assent, nor dissent, nor suspend his judgment. To say all in a few words, he will go about dumb and blind, thinking that he is somebody, but being nobody." Is this so now for the first time? Is it not the fact that ever since the human race existed, all errors and misfortunes have arisen through this ignorance? This is all that I have to say to you, and I say even this not willingly. Why? Because you have not roused me. For what must I look to in order to be roused, as men who are expert in riding are roused by generous horses? Must I look to your body? You treat it disgracefully. To your dress? That is luxurious. To your behavior? To your look? That is the same as nothing. When you would listen to a philosopher, do not say to him, "You tell me nothing," but only show yourself worthy of hearing or fit for hearing, and you will see how you will move the speaker.